What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog is a nice one. Finally getting that Blitz bumper off that car and putting on, well, we're going back stock because the stock bumper is the nicest bumper for this car with a lip. Let's go get that replaced. Big. Just ready. Yep. Hey man, custom cars, dude. Gotta do custom things.
Because it's not a AAA game, it's an expansion. For new users, it might be 60, but for existing users, it might be more than 40. I mean, if it's 40, I'm probably gonna get it.
What?
Overwatch. I originally said 30. I originally said 30, but 40 is within their expansion pricing, so I'll concede that. They haven't announced yet. They haven't announced shit. Everything's been delayed.
That's not true. World of Warcraft's coming out. They didn't announce that.
Really?
Huh. They said, no. They said, we ain't fucking around, that shit's coming out.
No, yeah, they said, you know, there's no pricing. I just literally checked like 2 weeks ago. I mean, it's possible they've announced since then, but I doubt it. I think maybe there's a general release date of 2020, maybe, but it's going to depend on what. And you open the box and it says VW right on the fucking thing.
So we grinded down the middle part, and then the left pipe couldn't clear the fog light entry. Over here it seems to be good. We just gotta now go get these OEM bolts, because we don't actually need to use the ones that weren't OEM to bolt that in, and we should be good. We have a sample bolt, so we're gonna go hit Ace real quick to get that. Alright kids, when you're grinding plastic, you know, wear gloves, because you can get burned if it gets on your hands. I got a little bit boils coming up here, one right there, and then this all was burnt off. So that's kind of what happens, but it is what it is. We got some stainless steel bolts here. These were M6 bolts that go here, so we're going to do this one. There was one missing on that fender, so I'm going to put one there. I got extra ones, and there's one, there's two on each side of that, so I'm going to replace those. So we're going to do that right now. They didn't have anywhere the, I guess, built-in washer was big enough, so I did get some separate washers, so that way it sits on here. Pretty good. right, bumper's on. Let's turn it on. And listen to it squeal.